Nick in Edgar and Annabelle, and I'm also one of the prisoners in Faraway. Edgar and Annabelle is a play about two operatives that don't necessarily get along, and they're trying to overthrow an oppressive British government in the somewhat near future. And there's microphones in the house, so they have to say one thing on script that their boss gives them to them, and then they have to do a completely different thing. It's been crazy. Being a lead in one show and then having a walk-on part in the other, that's always a crazy experience because they're so different stylistically wise, and so it's kind of like splitting your brain into two, but it's been a lot of fun. So I worked on Shining City earlier this season with Claudio, the artistic director, Francis Girk, Glenn Paris directed it, and it was a pretty great experience. I was the youngest actor and my first professional play, and each of those people had about 20 years of professional experience on them, so that was intimidating but fun. They were very accommodating to me. My favorite thing was when Claudio was in the room with us in the very beginning, when we first moved to Black Box from table work, he would lay on the bed that was on after Bug, because they saw him construct the set, and he would just lay there all glamorous like and give suggestions and point. That was probably my favorite part. Have fun. They're two way different plays, and you just gotta be open-minded. They're both really fun.